Hello my Cinemuffins, welcome to another video. Today I'm unboxing the Cinnamoroll X Razer headphones. The box is pretty cute. It has a little Cinnamoroll on a cloud. Look at how blue everything is, I love it. It's got some stuff on the side about what it does, the usual. Okay, you can stop looking. There are so many nice colors, it can glow. Not the surround sound. While we looking close, it's got bass. The swivels. Okay, let's move on. The other side says Cinnamoroll, how cute. Why all that? The bottom is boring, change it up. Damn, we still look in. LIL Cinemo. Finally time to open it. Cardboard. More cardboard. And not much of a gamer oops. Not the bottom again. I'm struggling. Lots of instructions. Still struggling. All the instructions. Stickers. What a soft bag. Okay, take it out already. OMG. Finally out. It's the cutest. I love it. So squishy. The swivel. The adjusting. The band has a cute Cinnamoroll on it. The clouds. Wow, the plug. It's 2-in-1. Wow, so cool. Okay, it's a tag. The microphone is easy to use. SO adjustable. Spin, spin. Click, click. Well, look at the retraction. The color is blue, like Cinnamoroll. We can see it fine. Wow, how cute. That transition though. Wow, so nice. Wow, so soft. It was so cute. Bonus time. We have a cute Cinnamoroll from Frau Schwartz. Look at the posture, that's me on a good day. So squishy. Please like and subscribe. Bye.